Even though we are remote, never feels like remote. It's well connected. Both faculties and students collaborate a lot. The main thing is it's asynchronous, so I can take the courses at my own pace, my own time, as long as I meet the schedule deadlines. So which I found it very useful since I'm a full-time employee. Residency has been one of the amazing ways to keep connected, even though it happens once or twice a year. That establishes a long-term connection, goes beyond DSU times. Whatever learnings I take that I gain outside of work, I've been interacting with my faculties, and we collaborate, do some research, publish papers. So it's an amazing journey together, where we are making use of the faculty's experience, especially on the research side.